everybody. We're finally going to go for that ride along. I got my son Cooper with me. I got to go to the bank. The bank is in Evansville, so we're going to take it for, I don't know, pretty good ride. There's the gauge package, so I can see my speedometer and everything. I got the backup camera on. The backup camera will stay on as long as you have the switch flipped. So you can leave it on when you're running down the road. But it does also have video or audio, so if you have the camera on, nothing else works. Alright guys, it's a 25-minute ride there, so I'm going to shut the camera off because my arm's getting sore. You can see the run time there, we're already at 22 minutes. I'll pop the camera back on when we get back to town and let you take a look at the run time just so you know that we took it out. But yeah, 70, 80, I've actually had it up close to 100 already, and it runs down the road just amazing. But that's all for now, guys. Let's let you go. Talk to you later. Again, this thing drives amazingly well. It's really astounded how well it goes down the road. No issues, no vibrations, just smooth. You can let go of the wheel if you want. Really drives out quite nice. We had her up a little over 70. I mean, just smooth, no issues, nice acceleration. Yeah, here it is, she runs out good. I'm at the bank. I gotta get some fuel. We'll head back to the Janesville, and I'll probably turn the camera on right when we get back. I'll leave it running while I'm in the bank, so we'll probably be at almost 50 minutes run time, drive time. All right, we'll check in with you in a little bit. It's good and good. It has really good and hot heat, but we do live in Wisconsin here, and it's right now I think it's low 20s out, and we've been driving for 56 minutes. We've been in the truck, so it's comfortable in here. It's not 80-90 degrees, and it's been on high, running wide open, but it's comfortable. I mean, I got a coat on, but I'm not freezing by any means. It's fairly comfortable. Coupe looks comfy. But yeah, if it was much, lower than, it is out right now for temperature, it probably would not be great to drive. Take a look at you. Yeah, it probably wouldn't be great. I mean, if it was 20 below out and you were trying to drive this every day, you'd probably be a little chilly on the way to work. But like I say, right now it's in the mid-20s. We've been driving the truck for 57 minutes, and it's comfortable in here. So we're gonna grab some fuel, and then we'll head back to the shop. And we'll talk to you guys later. Hey guys, I just thought I'd hop back on here. I don't know if you can see it behind me, and I don't know if it was in any of the other videos, but I just turned around to get out of the truck and noticed the back window is completely open. So I was saying how it was comfortable in here, but it was a little, it wasn't super hot. That may be different if we shut the giant window on the door that's wide open the whole 50 minutes we've been driving the truck. So as far as the heat goes, I got a feeling the heat in here is probably pretty damn good, and you should be able to drive it all year round. But I just thought I'd mention that. I'm guessing early on, I panned around the truck. You might see that window was indeed open. I'll look on the videos later, but I just thought I'd mention that because the truck, I mean, it has rock solid heat out of the event, so yeah, it's probably a little better insulated than I had thought. Thanks, guys. Alright, here we are. We're coming back into town. We've been driving for 68 minutes, a little over an hour. Just got fuel. I made a little notation that we realized we were driving around with one of the windows open. My feet are are quickly warming up. That was the only part that was really cold to me. It was actually quite relatively comfortable in here, but my feet were a little cold. But now that the window's shut and the heat's actually staying in the truck, it's actually quite comfortable in here. And I did check the temperature. It is 22 degrees this morning, so it is rather chilly out. So driving around in a regular car with the window down all morning, you probably wouldn't have been just as cold as we were. I mean, it was always actually relatively comfortable. But now it's actually starting to get, I might have to turn the heat down. Well, we're coming up to the shop. I'll have them pop the door, I'll drive in. I might have to walk in and open it.
As I said, flashy.
Cooper running open the door.
Sea has turned to blood. Sailor pushed ashore tonight. He was looking for Jack Sparrow, the same pirate who saved a witch from the gallows.
She's no witch.
But you are. And you're going to help
Cooper's going
us.
to open the door. And then I'll just do a quick walk around so you can see that everything looks good, looks the way it's supposed to. We're not throwing fire and brimstone and smoke after driving it for 70 minutes now. At least I hope that's the case. I guess I haven't really stood outside of it.
Pirate is going with that witch.
We'll pull her back in.
Destiny is in these stars.
So yeah, 70 minutes. It'll take a bit to open the hood, but quick walk around. Everything's good. Well, there you go, guys. That's after driving it for 70 minutes. Well, 70 minutes of run time. We probably drove it for a good solid 45, 50 minutes. There it is. You know, smooth down the road, great acceleration, 70 miles an hour, no problem. Good heat. Nice stereo. Again, you know, it's got them factory loud ass Michelin's on it, or Goodyear's on it, sorry. And yeah, so it's still got the military tires on it and still drives the way it does. You let go of the wheel straight down the road, no issues. So thanks for watching, guys. Later.